Next up, Motel main guest room key, which is probably the most expensive key on farm. Where is it and how do we use it? Well, if we check the map, you'll see all the way here at Motel, zooming in near the center right over here. So you'll need to find your way into this main building here, which is usually heavily protected. And if you're playing on lockdown, the bosses are usually always here. Anyways, coming into this main section over here in this huge 2-story building, we'll need to head all the way across down the passage, and right over here near the center of the building, just before the stairway, you'll find the locked door. Once again, I am yellow, straight in the center of the motel building here. If we unlock this door and head inside, you'll see that we have a safe just next to the door. So opening this up, we have nothing, sadly, a weapon case on the bed, which is also not the best, and an electronic safe all the way over here by the balcony. In here, nothing too good, as well as a jacket on the wall, and finally, a weapon case in the bathtub. Unfortunately, nothing crazy in this raid, but anyways. This key is super expensive because there's just so many things in this room. You can leave rich, or of course with not much profit, like I did unfortunately. Anyways, hopefully this video helped you. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.